Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're making sweet rice or kher. You all may know this as rice porridge, sweet pap, whatever country you're from, I'm sure you have your own name for it. This is quite delicious and it's often served for Mother Lakshmi Puja, and that's why we make it for Diwali. So if there's one sweet you must make for Diwali, is sweet rice. So let me show you all how easy this one is to prepare. We're going to start in our pot and I'm adding in my white rice and water. Now if you wanted to bring the water up to a boil and add in the rice, you can do that method also. I'm going in with ghee, and I love to put ghee, or you could use a piece of unsalted butter and a cinnamon stick. The ghee adds luxuriousness and it just makes it extra rich and tastes so delicious. So we're going to bring this up to a boil. Allow the rice to cook until it's very tender. If you need to add some more water in there, feel free to, but I used 3 cups in total. Now once the rice starts to soften, we're going to add in our milk. I'm going to go in with 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, or you can use a half. Remember, if you're using this for puja, you cannot taste it. And 1 cup of whole milk. If you're diabetic, you can also omit the condensed milk. Now we're going to bring this up to a simmer, and you want to continuously keep stirring until the rice is fully cooked and the milk starts to thicken just slightly. You don't want to leave this and walk away because it can create a skin at the bottom with that milk and start burning. So in total, this cooked for 20 minutes from beginning to when I took it off of the stove. You notice how really runny this mixture is? I'm going in with ginger, which I absolutely love in sweet rice, cardamom, and some fresh nutmeg. If you wanted to put some pumpkin spice or some cinnamon powder, feel free to add whatever you like. The nutmeg makes it taste like a rice punch. It was that delicious. So this just needs 5 more minutes of cooking and then it will be ready to set aside. You want the consistency like this because as it cools down, this is what it's going to turn out to be. A nice, perfect, creamy, pourable consistency. So we're going to spoon that out onto our plate and just look how creamy and delicious that looks. If you were to cook it until it got really thick, you're going to end up with sweet rice that is in a clump, and I personally don't like that. Garnish with whatever you like, and then it's ready to be enjoyed after puja. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Try it, let me know what you think. Be sure to check out all of my other Diwali recipes in time to make for this Sunday. Happy Diwali everyone. Bye.